Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove the white background in Photoshop Magic Wand tool. Let's begin. Open your photo or image, select the selection tool, right click, use Magic Wand, multiple select tolerance 32. Then select the white color, click the white color, hold shift, hold space, space, then move, select perfectly, then layer mask. Press Ctrl I or directly go to select tab inverse, then create a layer mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.